So let's pivot and look at how this huge dilemma, this fundamental uncertainty, just sent shockwaves through the financial markets.
And this quote right here, it just nails it. The problem wasn't the good news about growth. The problem was what that good news meant for investors. All of a sudden, everyone who was hoping for an interest rate cut started to think, maybe that's not going to happen now. And that uncertainty, it made the market really, really nervous.
And that nervousness kicked off a classic chain reaction. The hope for a rate cut vanished, so investors started selling off stocks to lock in their profits. And then the big foreign investors, the FIIs, they started pulling their money out of the country. And when all that cash starts flying out the door, it puts a ton of pressure on the local currency.
And the result? A pretty dramatic crash for the rupee. It just slumped to a brand new record low, almost touching that big psychological number of 90 to the US dollar. This was the most obvious, painful symptom of all that policy confusion.
So this table here kind of sums up the damage for the day. You can see the main stock indexes, the Sensex and the Nifty, they took a little dip after hitting those record highs. But the real story, the real victim here, was the rupee. It took the full force of the market's anxiety about what the central bank was going to do next.